Welcome to the video that answers the question, what beginning of year screeners do we use for mathematics in my grade level? Our universal screener is iStation ISIP. The iStation ISIP for math provides tiering information from a single score. Students take this assessment online, so it can be given to the whole class at one time. In addition to our universal screener, we give two diagnostic screeners, one for computational fluency and another for problem solving. Both screeners are aligned to the previous grade level's TEKS, so that you have detailed information about how all of your students have mastered the learning that's prerequisite to the mathematics you'll be teaching. The computational fluency screener is 25 questions long and is entirely free response. The problem solving screener is about 20 questions long and is a mix of multiple choice and free response items. For more information about the iStation ISIP Universal Screener, please contact your Learning Liaison. For more information about diagnostic screeners for mathematics, please visit our website at sites.google.com/gcisd.net/rtimath. Thanks for watching.